Attach a document checklist when sending an organizer. If you already send organizers to collect client information at the start of the season, you can attach a document checklist to that same organizer, so clients receive everything in one package: your questions and their personalized document list. No separate sending step needed. When preparing to send an organizer for a client, you'll see a document checklist section on the right. If your template already has the checklist option enabled, it's ready to go. You can review or edit the items before sending. If it isn't enabled yet, simply turn it on. From here, what happens depends on whether a checklist already exists for that client. If one was prepared in advance, it loads automatically and you can make any last-minute adjustments, editing a description, removing an item that no longer applies, or adding something new. If no checklist exists yet for this client, you can build one right here before sending. No need to navigate away. Choose from over 40 common tax form types and use the description field to give the client enough context to find the right document. For a W-2, note the employer name. For a 1099, add something like freelance income or the platform name. That extra detail is often the difference between getting the right file on the first try and going back and forth. All changes save automatically as you work. Once the checklist is ready, name the organizer, set up reminders if you want the system to follow up automatically, and send. The client receives a notification by email and in their portal. They open a single, unified intake package: an introduction, your questionnaire questions, and their document checklist, all in one place. They can complete these in any order, and everything auto-saves as they go. To complete the checklist, clients upload their files and the system matches each one to the right checklist item. If a document isn't available right away, they can flag it as not applicable, note that it's already been provided, or set a date when they expect to have it, and the system will send them a reminder automatically on that date. When the client submits the organizer, the status updates to completed and your team is notified. Every document they uploaded is stored in their account, matched to the item you requested. No inbox to search, no spreadsheet to update, no follow-up emails to send.